So it's been so long since I did a video, so I thought let's just shoot this particular repair video. One of my favorite boards to work on. This is a MacBook Air 2015-17 model 8200001C165. So it's written Apple here. It is written FRU, which stands for Field Replacement Unit. So that means that this board has been replaced by Apple at some point of time. So this came in with an issue of not turning on. So we have a light on the charger cable. There's no fan spin, and the amp draw is 300 milliamps. Let's consider it at 300 milliamps. There's no fan spin. So first power rail to check is 3V42, which is present. How do we know? There's a light here. So if you want to measure 3V42, so here it is 3.3. So 3.3, 3.4 is more or less the same. So now let's check PP bus, which is a 8.6 volt rail. So it's somewhere here. Yeah. How much is it? 0.7. It's way too low. Way too low for PP bus. It should be 8.5, 8.6. It is 0.71. So let's remove the charger. So put the red probe on ground. So this is how shorts are measured, and we can measure using this black probe. So now the multimeter is switched to the resistance mode. Open line. So now let's measure here. How much is it? 2 ohms to ground. 1.9, 2 ohms to ground. So there's a short on PP bus as expected. So let's go under the thermal camera and see what's heating up. So the thermal camera is hooked up. So the display comes here. So let's just keep moving and see if something is showing up. Oh, what is this? Oh, 144 degrees. Oh my god. So this particular thing is heating up to that temperature. So let me just point out this one. This capacitor is heating. This one. So let's just remove this and see if the short is relieved. So now the thermal camera thing is done. So I will be removing this capacitor and checking from there. So the capacitor is out. It was here. It was here. So this is a capacitor. It is removed. Now let's check the short. Is it still shorted or is it open? Yeah. Now it's open line. I'll just show you how the capacitor looks under the microscope. If you can see the capacitor, which is cracked from the bottom left side, a slight crack on the capacitor on the bottom left. That is the problem. So that's the cracked capacitor which is shorted. It is no longer a capacitor, it's a wire. So whatever current has to go into the system, it is pulling it to ground because of this capacitor being short. Now this is out. Let's see if the board has a fan spin now. There you go. 1, 2, 3. The light is there. Oh, nice. The fan is spinning. Now it is taking 600 milliamps, 650, 620, 630. Now this is the booting current. The MacBook is fixed. I'll just put this board back in the casing and I'll get back from there. So I connected the board to the MacBook here. So let's just connect the charger and see if it turns on now. Green light, orange light. Let's see if it turns on. Yep, screen backlight. Oh, nice. It is fixed. It is fixed. Another win. Good old MacBook. That was all for today, folks. Let's do some other repair in the next video. Until and unless, till the time, stay safe.